In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ColmexPro in Tradingview. This process is essential for traders who want to leverage the analytics and features of Tradingview while executing trades via ColmexPro. Follow along as I guide you through these straightforward steps, ensuring you have everything set up correctly. First, let's head over to the Tradingview website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to Tradingview's homepage. With Tradingview, you get to utilize a broad array of tools to help analyze market trends. Once you're on their site, you'll notice the wide selection of charts and analytical features available. Upon reaching Tradingview, the next thing you'll want to do is click on the Super Charts option. This feature is key for accessing the comprehensive charts that Tradingview is known for. It allows you to dive deep into market trends, offering a multitude of indicators and drawing tools that can be tailored to your trading style. After accessing Super Charts, direct your attention to the lower part of the interface where you'll find the trading panel. Clicking on the trading panel is important because it provides the ability to connect with various brokers. The trading panel acts as your bridge between Tradingview's analytical power and the execution capabilities of your chosen broker. Once you've clicked on the trading panel, look for and click on Show All Brokers. This will bring up a list of all the brokers that Tradingview supports. Scroll through this list until you find ColmexPro. It's important to ensure that you choose the correct broker from this list to establish a successful connection. After locating ColmexPro within the list, it's time to click and connect. Tradingview will prompt you to enter your ColmexPro credentials to establish this connection. Logging in securely to ColmexPro will enable Tradingview to communicate with your trading account, allowing seamless trade execution. Make sure your login information is accurate and double-check any security measures your broker might require. Following these steps will integrate your Colmex Pro account with Tradingview. This integration enhances your ability to analyze market data while executing trades with ease. Remember, the beauty of a platform like Tradingview combined with ColmexPro is that it offers you the analytical power and trading flexibility that are crucial in the fast-paced environment of financial markets. Keep experimenting with different features on Tradingview to fully harness its capabilities. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you successfully connect your ColmexPro account to Tradingview. Feel free to leave your queries in the comments section below. Happy trading!